Hello friends and students. Myself Pooja Ghosh from Shiliguri Primary Teachers Training College and Shiliguri Tarai Pilot College, a teacher trainee of B.Ed 4th semester. And my method is English. So today I am here again with an interesting story, a prose. So in childhood we have all learned or we have all listened short and small interesting stories from our grandfather, grandmother, right, and our elders. So today here I am again with a story. So this is a story from class 6 of West Bengal board, and the name of the prose of the chapter is The Tiger, the Priest and the Jackal. It is an interesting story. It is about an tiger, the priest and the jackal. So I am reading it out for you all. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. He tried in vain to get out through the bars and rolled and beat with rage and grief when he failed. By chance a poor priest came by. "Let me out of this cage, O pious one," cried the tiger. "Nay, my friend," replied the priest mildly, "you would probably eat if I did." "Not at all," swore the tiger with many oaths. "On the contrary, I should be forever grateful and serve you as a slave." Now when the tiger sobbed and sighed and wept and swore, the pious priest's heart softened, and at last he consented to open the door of the cage. So this is the first stanza, of the chapter. So in the first stanza, it's starting like this. Once upon a time, a tiger was trapped in a trap. You know trap, all of you, I think. That means a tiger was caught in a sort in a cage. Cage means where we put our animals, right? It can be our dog, cow that are domestic. So those kind of cage was in the forest. So the tiger was caught in that trap. He tried in vain to get out through the bars. Bars means a cage is with the bars. That means one lines, right? So in vain means without any result. He was just trying to come out from that bars of the cage, and rolled and beat with rage and grief when he failed. Rage means anger. That means he was just rolling and rolling on that bars of the cage to try to come out from that cage, but he could not, because it was a trap, right? When we just get into a trap, or suppose if I am in a trap, here is a cage and I am inside that cage, okay, but I could not come out from that cage, so I'll be just rolling out in that, I'll be in a anger. So the tiger also could not come out from that cage. So when the tiger was just angry and he was just crying, by chance a poor priest came by. So there a priest came by, and the tiger just shouted, that means with anger, that means he was very much helpless, right, in that cage. He wanted the priest. He said, "The priest, let me out of this cage, O pious one," cried the tiger. Pious means very religious. That means what happened, the tiger he was telling the priest that, "Please make me out from this cage. Please, please, please." He was just begging off and he was just crying, "Please pull me out, please take me out from this cage." Then what the priest said, it was, "Nay, my friend," replied the priest mildly. That means with a very politely, the priest said that, "No, I will not take you out from this cage." Now why the priest does not want to pull out the tiger from the cage? You would probably eat me if I did. That means what the priest was saying. He said that if he pulls the tiger out from that cage, the tiger would eat it. This was said by the priest. Now what the answer was from the tiger again. Not at all, soared the tiger with many oaths. That means he's giving a promise to the priest that no, I will not eat you, I am giving you the promise. Okay. On the contrary, I should be forever grateful and serve you as a slave. That means what was the priest saying? Priest said that no, I will not make you out or pull you out from that cage. But the tiger said that no, if you would do that, I'll be very grateful to you. That means I'll be very grateful. Please, I will serve you as a slave. The slave means that. That means he would become that means the priest would become the master and the tiger would become his assistant. That means he would assist him. Any work, if the priest says, the tiger will do so. So this was the promise given by the tiger. So now when the tiger sobbed and sighed and wept and swore, when the tiger was just promising it to the priest, the pious priest's heart softened. Of course, if someone comes, if the tiger says me also with those that please pull me out, please take me out from this cage, so my heart will also become soft. So the priest's heart also become soft, and at last he consented to open the door of the cage. Consented means that he now agreed. At last he agreed to the tiger that yes, I will open the cage. After that, what happened? Out popped the tiger and seizing the poor man cried, "What a fool you are!" Now when the priest pulled the tiger out from the cage, right? Now the poor man is crying, "What a fool you are!" Now tiger is very much, because he was in the cage, right? Now that tiger will now eat, right? It's a wild animal. So now when the tiger came out from that cage, the priest is now very much scared because it came and just snatched over him. He is just snatching the priest. "What is to prevent my eating you now? For after being cooped up so long, I am just terribly hungry." Now what was the matter? See now, students, it is that now the tiger is very much hungry, right? He is very much hungry because he was for so many hours in that cage. If we are also just stuck in the room also, if your mummy, if your grandfather or mother or father just if you are doing something wrong, right, and they put you inside the room and without giving any meals, so you'll also become hungry. So like that only the tiger also became very much hungry. So now he is just telling the priest that what should I do now? What should the tiger would do for as he is feeling so hungry? The priest pleaded for his life in vain. The most he could gain was a promise to abide by the decision of the first three things he chose to question as to the justice of the tiger's action. Now what did the priest do? Now the priest pleaded. Pleaded means he just requested or begged in front of the tiger. He is pleasing now his life, right? That please, I am giving you a promise that you promised me you will not eat me. You will not eat me, right? But now what should I do? The gain was a promise to abide. Here abide means accept by the decision of the first three things. Now he says that I will choose three things to come out from this situation. Okay. So now the three things, it goes like this. So the priest first asked the people. So he said that three questions. Now three things was the three questions. He will just ask three questions to the three different things. The first was the people tree. He asked the people tree about it, what it thought of the matter. But the people tree replied coldly, what have you to complain about? Don't I give shade and shelter to everyone who passes by, and don't they in return tear down my branches to feed their cattle? Don't whimper, be a man. Now see what it was saying, that he first asked a people tree, right? So the people tree said that, why, as am I not giving you the shade and shelter to everyone who passes by here, right? Don't in return tear down my branches to feed their cattle. Don't whimper, be a man. Right, the first thing was this. It was that he was just choosing. He said the tree, please you be the food for the tiger. But the tree said that I am giving the shade and shelter to everyone who passes nearby from this way. So why should I be the food for the tiger? So first thing was from the people tree.